Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cassie from Five Nights at Freddy's. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to first start off by zooming in on the head. Let's draw two curves up for the eyes. And then underneath each of these, let's add a circle. Now inside each circle, let's add another smaller one on the top right. And then in the center, let's add a curve behind. And let's color both of these in black. Next, for each eye, on the outside, let's draw a small curve down. And then let's add some eyelashes on the top outsides. And lastly, let's add one curve above each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the nose with a small curve. Now underneath, let's draw the mouth with a curve across. And then one more curve underneath for the bottom lip. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start with angles down on both sides. And then curve it down towards the center for the chin. Next, on the sides, let's draw two curves for the ears. Now let's hop up and let's draw the hair. Let's start in the center and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and over on both sides. Then for the end, let's follow that same curve back up towards the center. Now underneath, let's add another small piece going down on both sides. Now before continuing the hair, let's add the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve above each eye. And then curve it back around on top. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's finish drawing the hair. Let's hop on the top and let's draw a curve up and angle it down. And the same thing on the right. And then from both ends, let's curve it down to the ear. Next, let's move underneath the ears and let's draw the pigtails. Let's start with a circle on both sides. And then add a large curve underneath both sides like this. And then let's add two curves inside. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw two curves down and out for the neck. Then let's hop down and let's draw a V shape in the center. And curve it up to the neck on both sides. Now for the sides of the neck, let's curve it out and down. Then curve it back down. And angle it up to finish off the collar. And then in the center, let's draw two curves across. and then a line inside slightly towards the right. Now let's move down and let's draw the sweater. From the sides, let's draw 2 small curves out for the shoulders, and then let's curve it down. Next, let's hop into the center and let's draw 2 lines down. And then from the sidelines, let's curve it in towards the center on both sides. Then let's angle it out and a wavy line back in to create a ruffle. And then add a few diagonal lines inside. Now underneath on the sides, let's continue the sweater by drawing angles down, and then 2 curves across the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the sweater. Now let's move in and draw the details. Let's start across the shoulders and let's draw 2 angled lines. Then inside on the top right, let's draw a star. And then a smaller one next to it on the right. Next, down the center line, let's draw circles all the way down for buttons. And lastly, inside towards the bottom, let's draw 3 flowers on either side like this. And that's it for the sweater details. Now let's draw the arms, starting with the left side. Let's start with 2 angles down and out on the left. And then let's angle them up and out like this. And then add a curve down. Now at the end, let's draw the hand. Let's start with an oval near the top. Then on the left, let's draw 4 bumps going down for the fingers. And then close off the end with a curve. Now inside her hand, let's draw the walkie-talkie. Let's draw a rectangle shape behind the hand like this. Then on top, let's draw 2 curves going up and connect it at the top for the antenna. Now on the right side, let's draw a small triangle shape, then a bump underneath, and then a large curve going out, one more curve under, and one on top. And that's it for the left arm and hand. Now let's move over and draw the right side. From the shoulder, let's draw 2 angled lines down. And then 2 curves at the bottom to close it off. Now for the hand, let's start underneath and let's draw a curve down and up for the thumb. Then let's curve it out and back in for the rest of the fingers. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and let's draw the shorts. From the sides, let's start with angles down. And then from the bottom, let's angle it in, leaving a small gap in the center. And then connect them with a U-shaped curve up and down like this. Now in the center, let's draw 2 lines down and then a curve down on the right. And then inside the tops, let's draw curves for the pockets and then one more curve across the bottom of each short leg. And that's it for the shorts. Now let's move underneath and let's draw 2 lines down on both sides for the legs. Next at the bottom, let's add the socks. Let's start with curves across, then bring it down on both sides, and then one more curve across the bottom. And then let's add some stripes inside. Now underneath, let's add the shoes. Let's step in from the sides and let's draw 2 lines down under each leg. And then let's add a curved rectangle shape underneath. Now inside that middle section, let's draw a curve at the top. And then a pointy half circle around like this. Now underneath, let's draw angles down. And then a curve across the bottom. And then inside the section, let's draw another set of angles and then a curve underneath. And then let's add an X shape for the laces. Lastly, underneath, let's add the soles of the shoes. Let's draw lines down and then curves to close off the bottom. And that's it for Cassie. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!